Assalamualaikum, here is MsHirakhan again with you. Today we have a circle time full, like how we have to take it in the, and mostly you can say how I can take it in the online classes. So here we have to display you. So from my back you can see the circle time is going on. So here we go with the circle time for again this is for your request how to take it in every day and how engage with the students with this. Let's start with the circle time. Go. Next. Today's our topic is a warm-up exercise I will do for you, and after that oral questions and the Islamic oral, and then we have the weather and seasons name, and then we have a language one. And today's the language topic is really important, so kindly don't miss this one. I have finished the circle time and then continue with the circle time and the with language one. Got it? Thank you. Next. Now start with this warm-up exercise. So here we go. Let's start with this some little warm-up exercise. Now everyone, I want you to stand up. Pause. Here with the warm-up exercise. So let's start. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your head, head. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your nose, nose. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your chin. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your foot. Put it on your leg. Put it on your arm. Put it on your chin. Put it on your nose. Put it on your head. Here we go. And now I hope we all are warm up. So let's go with the circle time. Okay, after this warm-up exercise, now we have to be relaxed, cool and calm. So sit with your kid and now you have to ask, are you ready for recitation with me? So he will say yes or no. So after moving him, you can say, let's start with the recitation. Now fold your arms, bow your heads and recite Taus. Listen to me very carefully. And after reciting of Taus Tasmiya and the first kalma or surah class, surah Kausar, initially you have to start it and then you have to make it complex with the dusra kalma, tisra kalma or other things of duas. You can add it the dua of sleeping, dua of drinking milk. These are the now next we have after recitations of duas and the surah and the kalmas, we enter into the phase of asking about the day. So most probably you can ask with the day of the full of one chart like this on my back. You can see that there are so many days. So you can start the day. What day is today? Are this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, today we have a Saturday. So now what next on a date? So here we go with the next.
Done.
Okay, now after with the day, let's talk about the date. So I am asking you what date is today. You can see on my bag that is a date mentioned and that is 25. But what you can ask by the asking of before and after concept with this, and you can oral counting adding on this by you can say that. Let's start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes after 10? Let's raise up your hands and lift it up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What comes after 20? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So today is 25. What comes after 24? 25. So here you can know the concept of before and after. You can give in this oral counting and you have to do this with this practice of action counting by changing your actions. But you have to specify that after tens you have to change your action. So it will be the category of tens will be insert in his mind that after 10 there is a category of 9. After 9 that category has changed. So kindly keep this thing on your mind. You have your actions can you have to listen this quote about more of the time, that actions can say louder than the words. So here we can prove it by this example. Okay, now let's moving on next. And in this way, we have to move on with the months. And here we have again the months chart on my hand. You can see that. And you can randomly ask about the month's name. Which month is coming? Or with the month is starting with the month of January. So let's start January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So the current month is March. Next. So current month is March. Which month is going on? March. And which year is going on? 2023. Here we go with this calendar talk. We have finished it. And after moving on that next one slide. So here we go with the next. So now we have a weather. So after seeing this weather chart, you can ask your child, go and out on the window side. What do you have to see? Are you see the sun or the clouds? Are the sunny weather or are the cloudy weather next, or are the things, what are you going to pause? So here we have the weathers like sunny next, cloudy next, windy next, rainy next, stormy next. Cloudy weather, you are right. So today's weather is cloudy. Or we can most of the time we can say sun and cloud both are together to we call it partially cloudy weather. Okay. So here we give the concepts of weather like this. Now move on the next, and we have seen seasons. And in the seasons we have saying around most of the time that we have the 4 seasons in a year. Next we have see the seasons. Next winter, next spring, some autumn, summer. So the current season, I think so we feel it, it's a summer season. Which season is going on? Summer season. So here we have end of the seasons and the color and the things we discussed in this circle time. We can include it or more of the things. Now after this one circle time is ended, let's start the next one topic. We have it and we will continue in the next video. Okay, see you. Bye bye.